So what are you doing today, Sal?
So basically what we're going to do, we're here to pick up KSD's 302 engine for his 93 notch for KSD 93 Ford Foxbody LX. We're going to go ahead and take it over to our shop. We're going to take the heads off. We're going to strip down this block. We're going to put a brand new water pump. We're going to add new seals to the valves. So we're doing valve stem seals. So we're basically doing a head job on it. We're changing out the oil pump, changing out the headers, and check out the layout that we're about to put out that Mr. Kenneth here picked up. So we're going to do a little bit of the setup for the turbo as well too before it's installed. We have to the end of the month before we have to go see Tyler back over there at TKO, man. So check it out.
Hey, pleasure to meet you, man. Pleasure.
Oh man.
So I just did you the amazing justice of removing the old power steering bracket off because you're not gonna need it.
Right.
There is a new one.
What else coming off here?
Man, so I got
this thing on, right?
Nah, man.
You want everything off?
All of it.
Basic
I'm
down.
gonna give you a
Down
new.
the basic block.
That power steering pump is new.
Okay.
But because I don't know where this leak is coming from. I don't know where this leak is coming from.
Keeping rollers, rockers.
All this is gonna stay the same. Yeah.
Yeah. So all we're doing is the internal, the seals to these guys.
Yeah, because we're
gonna keep all this.
All that. Yep.
All new gaskets coming in.
I got everything. I got about 3 of these to give to you. So I mean, if you want, we can, lay it all out however we want to do it. But you see right here, you see all that coolant?
Mm-hmm. All right.
So, man, this though, man, no silicone, bro.
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
is there like a permanent gasket you got for
yeah, I got. Look, I'm gonna show you everything in there. I got the other stuff to give to you.
You're not keeping these headers, right?
Man, I'm about to show you everything. I don't really care. You know what I mean? Like, if you wanna tell you to sell them, it's all you. So, let me get the rest of this stuff for you, and then I'll lay out all the new parts, man.
We're gonna go ahead and drop down this hoist. Kind of basically want to do, I want to sit this guy, so we'll just pull the pin. We're going to yank him out with the whole bracket. So we'll sit him on the tire, we'll get him back as far as we can back there, and then I got some straps to strap him down, hold him down.
There you go.
And then I'll just take this with me too, because I need to keep him on so I can roll him around. Just slide it in.
You want me to go over everything now?
Yeah, let's do that.
Alright, so first thing, real simple. These are your head gaskets and bolts.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Brand new everything.
Nice.
Alright, so
Tortino.
yep, brand new everything. This right here, I believe, is the harmonic balance.
Okay.
So brand new harmonic balance. Let's see here. Take a look at that. In comparison to the brown and dusty one that's on here now.
All right.
Okay.
We keeping this front piece?
No, sir. That's the next part. So, brand new, polished, 3-piece set. Right there.
So pulleys.
Pulleys and that's the alternator one. And the alternator is
inside.
Inside of there, but those are all. And these are bolts.
Okay. Let me put this down a little bit.
So they all should be pretty and shiny.
There you go.
Alright.
It's gonna be right here. Oh yeah.
All should be pretty and shiny. With the On 3 kit, they have their piece goes inside of here as well. So, but I only seen it on an 87, which actually the 87 oil sending unit has an extension and it's a bigger piece. I got to figure out how it actually fits on there. What's going to happen is that once you finish putting it all together, then I'll bring the turbo kit and then we can actually assemble that. It ain't going to take us long to actually assemble the turbo kit. It'll probably take us an hour, but just assemble that to make sure that everything is test fitting right. But I just want to make sure everything is new. This is gonna come off. We're gonna use a smaller filter because with the kit you can't fit it down there. You can't fit it down there. So
it's gonna wrap around that way.
So we're gonna have a smaller one. So that's that. This is the box for right here. This one for those two. All right. I don't know if you remember, but this was the piece I told you.
Oh, you gave it to me because I welded up. That little hose?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is you don't have to.
All right, well, the other one's sitting there all welded up now, so I mean.
Yes.
Yeah, because they eliminated
the piece. Literally, all it is the piece that goes in here, and then I believe this is a sensor that goes here, and then obviously this goes into the lower intake, and then that goes into that hose to the water pump, and then obviously this goes into the car. So, but yeah, they just came out with this one, so I just grabbed it because I'm like, it's $60. You know, so obviously because it's,
definitely.
Yeah, so yeah, that's the side that it's on. So
gorgeous, nice man.
yeah, so that's brand new. You know, we're trying to make everything pretty. And then bam. So
did a really nice job.
So
man.
you know, brand new. You know, that's ceramic coated. They are pretty straight. It is not bent. So it should lay up on that head right, and then O2 sensors on both of them.
Gotcha.
So you know how to do a little anesthesia, knock it in there. That's done. Brand new bolts. Perfect. Brand new bolts for those. Okay.
The header bolts.
Header bolts all the way around. It's like a lot of them in there. So don't think because it's 50 of them in there. That's just
no, because it's whatever's gonna work in here without scratching these things up.
So here's the thing about this too. There's two ways we can do it. We can I can buy the gasket, and actually AutoZone sells it, but I can buy the gasket that goes here, or what everybody else does is that they put that orange silicone around it. You know what I mean? And both those dead on, and like everybody says that it works. My other buddy said he did both. You know what I mean? Just to have it. So
I would just do that too.
Okay, then the gas is $30, bro.
I can pick those up.
Yeah, I can literally get and send you the money and then go from there.
You know.
And that's it for those. So and I wrote on there.
Big bolt, header bolts.
Header bolts. All right. So
and that is
great question. So this was the old alternator bracket. All right, that was sitting right here, and I left the bolts in there because I don't know what actually comes in there. So let's open it up. Let's order these pieces from LMR. So you know I got these. These clips. Are the clips that go in so that the harness that we use currently on the car will actually fit on here. So you know I actually put them all in. They're all individually bagged. And since you pulled that out, I'm also showing you the brand new fuel rails. So on the intake, the bolts on the lower intake are inside of the intake right now.
Okay.
All you got to do, boom, just put it on and it's good. You know what I mean? And then obviously, whichever way this was, that's the side that it goes on, whichever way that sits out. And yeah, so that'll be the new, those are the new fuel rails.
New fuel rails.
And because, so there you go, brand new oil pan, bro. This is another thing too. So you got to decide and let me know because I don't want this to sit on the ground no more. After that, so if that means that I got to get that crate that sits on the so that it's always.
I can pick that up too.
Okay, because I don't want to, you know what I mean. Like once we put this on, obviously this is brand new, man. And if you look at that one,
no, it's been beat up. That's why I did. That's why I brought that tire because I knew. For the time being, that's okay, but that's not gonna happen when we get it back out and running.
So then the other thing too that we're gonna have to do is that we're gonna have to tap into this. Okay, I'm gonna get the exact.
Because you need the
drain for the turbo. So we're gonna have to. I'm gonna tell you the exact tap. I can tell you tonight, but we're gonna have to. They said there's a template somewhere about where it actually goes or taps into or whatever. But we're gonna have to tap into it. So
you got that rear seal back here?
Oh man, I'm so glad you asked. Because not only do I have the so these are for the this is for the oil pan. No, this is the oil pan.
It's oil pan, yeah.
This is the kit for the gaskets for water pump and everything. The rear main seal. Okay.
There we go.
These are your bolts for the oil pan. The oil pan also has No, these
are valve covers.
Those are valve cover gaskets. I cleaned this up because you know the upper is powder coat. I'm pretty sure you can add a little spice to it or whatever.
Yeah, we'll get. Oh my God, look at this.
Yeah, I didn't do that.
What are you doing with this?
I gotta get you another one, man. So you can keep the
I'm gonna keep the screws and everything, and this will fit in here.
But and I gotta get another one because this actually. The piece that goes in here actually lets the fans know what temperature it's at.
Okay.
So, but the rear main seal is somewhere, and I'm gonna make sure we find it before we leave.
Do you really need it like in chrome?
No. You can forget all that.
Okay.
Then I guess you would put the seal on top of that.
You know slide this all together. It's a break. It's a shim.
Right. Exactly. But I do have the rear main seal. So
I thought I started that kit over there.
That's not it. Nah, it's.
We're gonna set them in some acetone or something.
Yeah, probably all those.
Just to break up all that gunk.
Yep.
So I mean, we could pull it out, clean up the threads, re-tap in here, and refit it in there. Put some sealer because you're not gonna use that no more.
Right. You know, it's just that if it's out, it's an exhaust leak. So
correct.
I think the other gaskets for this are
in the kit.
Yeah. I believe so. If they're and you see what happened here.
Yeah, no, these are all got to be torqued down.
Yeah.
What happened? They over-torqued.
Over-torqued.
They over-torqued these things.
Over-torqued them very bad.
Like you see the
yeah, I mean it's very bad.
Too much.
You got everything.
So this shouldn't be worried about that.
And the bottom line, bro, is that anything that don't look right, anything else, man, you just tell me it'll be to you in 2 days. Like.
So I think I can skip one.
Go ahead and jack it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Actually, make sure this is. Okay. Go ahead. Nice and easy. Let's get it. Alright, let's get her, take it back. Sorry, go back, go straight back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the truck down in here.
So we got to go up that step?
Yeah, so we don't have to go up that step and stuff. He worked hard for his money. We're gonna get flagged. Alright, let's start bringing it in. Keep going. A little bit more. Go up a little more. That's right. Get it as far as we can in. Alright. Start bringing it down. Alright.
I'm not used to that part.
Alright. Hold it straight.
Look at that back end drop.
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Let me get it down. I got those bungee cords in the truck, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get those.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
These are supposed to be slip resistant, but not so much.
Yeah, but they look good though.
Yeah, I'm not mad at them.
You know? You walking around with those fucking other ones that were ragged. but we'll get it. Almost hit it.
Tell the retard what to do.
Go up with it. Keep going. That's right. We're in the air. All right. A little bit more. All right, that's good. See if we can hold it back. Pick it up.
Good on there.
Alright. Just hold it on there. And bring it down. Ready? Okay. There's no.
You can rotate it. Are you okay?
No, it should be fine right there.
It's good.
Yeah. Just bring it down the rest of the way. And I got another little. Okay. Lot of cars, lot of stuff. All right, this guy came over side here for tonight.
You want me to disassemble this thing?
Yeah, let's take off the leg. Look.